Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hidden Apps folder. This is the only reliable method for store apps. Press Win+R, type Shell, Apps folder and hit Enter. Once done, scan the grid for the app you want on the desktop. Make sure to use your regular user account, otherwise shortcuts may not work. You're now in the special system view that exposes UWP app links you can't otherwise drag from start. Keep the Apps folder window open. This is where you'll create the desktop shortcut in the next step. Next, right-click the app entry in Apps folder and choose Create Shortcut. Windows will prompt to place the shortcut on the desktop. Confirm with Yes. Once the shortcut appears, you can rename it, change its icon, or move it into folders on your desktop. Make sure you don't drag from start. That creates a pin tile, not a real desktop shortcut. If you prefer, copy the shortcut to C/users/public/desktop to make it available to all users. This step gives you a true launch link for store apps. Finish by double-clicking the new desktop shortcut to verify the app launches. If it doesn't open, right-click and delete the shortcut, then repeat the Apps folder Create Shortcut flow. Sometimes Windows needs a fresh link. Make sure the app itself is installed and not blocked by parental controls. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall from the Microsoft Store, then recreate the shortcut. One quick tip: place the shortcut in C/users/public/desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.